What if aging wasn't inevitable? What if your skin, your brain, even your cells could remember being 25 and act like it? It sounds like science fiction. But right now, Japanese scientists and AI from NVIDIA are rewriting what it means to be human. Before we begin, hit subscribe to join Future Forward, the home of tomorrow's most powerful innovations. Turn on notifications, because what you'll hear today could redefine your very existence. This is not a cream. It's not a surgery. It's Project Regenesis, and it's about to shake the foundation of life, medicine, and mortality itself. For centuries, humanity has chased eternal youth, from Egyptian elixirs to medieval alchemy. But now, for the first time in history, science isn't guessing anymore. It's decoding. In 2022, behind the locked doors of a Kyoto lab, Project Regenesis was launched, a joint venture between Japan's top research institutions and NVIDIA, the AI superpower behind modern computing. It started with a question: what if aging is just a mistake that can be corrected? Using billions of data points, genomes, blood scans, organ samples, the AI system Amaterasu was born, named after the Japanese sun goddess. But this isn't just a neural network. It's a quantum-inspired hybrid, powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell B200 chips and experimental photonic processors. It can observe how cells decay, why proteins misbehave, and what triggers aging in real time. Within 6 months, Amaterasu analyzed 128 million human medical profiles, discovering something that would shock the scientific world. In 2023, Amaterasu identified a pattern called the Y loop, a previously invisible closed cycle of proteins that determines when and how we age. Aging isn't a straight line. It's a loop shaped by stress, poor nutrition, and environmental factors. But the most revolutionary insight is that this loop can be reset. When Amaterasu's molecular complex, REY, was tested on mice, the results were astonishing. Their skin thickened by 40%, gray hair darkened back to its original shade, their hearts regained the vigor of youth, and their brains sparked with youthful neural activity. Then, in 2024, human trials began. Volunteers between 70 and 80 years old received REY treatment combined with a personalized AI-designed diet and sleep regimen. In just 2 months, their bodies underwent a stunning transformation. Collagen regenerated, blood vessels regained, elasticity, age spots faded, and, most remarkably, their biological age reversed by 15 to 20 years according to Horvath's epigenetic clock. This isn't just slowing aging. It's rewriting it. This wasn't just anti-aging. It was rejuvenation, the first real evidence that time can be reversed on a cellular level. But the skin is only the surface. What happens when the entire body starts to remember being young? Today, Amaterasu is a global force in longevity science, with 6 cutting-edge biolabs across Japan at the heart of its operations. These facilities are seamlessly integrated with a vast, real-time data network, including DNA cryostorage banks preserving genetic blueprints, live satellite weather feeds tracking environmental impacts, global medical registries updating patient responses, and AI-driven molecular scanners decoding biological processes at unprecedented resolution. This isn't just infrastructure. It's a living system, constantly learning and adapting to accelerate the next revolution in human health span. Its mission: to create a fully personalized formula for every individual, not just skin deep, but down to sleep, gut health, hormone balance, and even genetic repair. One of its most ambitious goals: stopping apoptosis, the body's built-in cell death program. Using gene modulation of p53 and SIRT1, it could bring aging cells back to life, a process once thought impossible. But if successful, this breakthrough could rewrite the future of medicine, turning today's incurable diseases into manageable conditions or even distant memories. Imagine Alzheimer's and Parkinson's not just halted but reversed, their damage undone at the cellular level. Picture cancers intercepted before they ever take hold, stopped by preemptive biological safeguards. Envision telomeres, the ticking clocks of our cells, preserved far longer, dramatically extending the body's natural resilience. And this is only the beginning. With each discovery, we're pushing closer to a world where aging isn't inevitable. Decline but a process we can understand, intervene in, and ultimately master. The era of regenerative medicine isn't coming. It's already here. The next phase, neurogenetic self-replication, will allow your body to autonomously rewind itself, without pills, without surgery, without intervention that we're not just. Ending aging, we're erasing the concept of old age entirely. That we are standing at the edge of a new biological reality, that a world where 90 isn't the end, but the middle of your journey, where your skin doesn't wrinkle, your brain doesn't slow, and your age is just a number, no longer a limit. Would you take the treatment? Would you live to 150 in the body of a 30-year-old? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. And don't forget, subscribe to Future Forward for more discoveries that are shaping the next century. Until next time, stay curious, stay young, and keep moving future forward.
Create the future's ours.